It's another day at the bus station. Already we see peeps looting around. Oh, hi there bro.
Can you please tell me where your mate is? Just want to talk. Is that him? Making those footsteps? What am I doing? Some people call it camping. I want to justify my actions, calling it survival skills. There you are. You've been busy looting, haven't you? Here, take these extra ammo, slightly used. Wait, I got more of them here. Alright, we got our bread and butter from Food Panda Express, and I can see some flies buzzing around wanting to have a bite at it. I thought these were clones, but they're getting damaged with the hover bike. I realized I just hit bot haven. 3 kills. Woohoo. Thank you Riot. I mean Garena. This guy has been on my ass, wanting a free kill. I realized there's a bot here. I'm certain he will get off his bike to kill it. Bro, you just got baited. You greedy little bastard. You deserve this. Oh. How have the tables turned? That guy been following me since he heard my hover bike. I just want to get to the box, bro. Imagine spending the majority of the game trying to loot these goodies, only to get baited by a bot. Next plan is to get to a higher ground and observe around the map. Actually, I just want to get up that hill and camp the crap out of everyone. Upon arriving to this spot, I noticed an approaching chopper. For some reason, every time I play this game I get this irresistible urge to engage the squad inside it. With my trusty HDR I took a peek at them, trying to get supplies from the box. At this range, and with my potato phone, it is extremely difficult, nay impossible, to line up a headshot. Actually easy if I'm not such a noob. They definitely know where I am now. Time to relocate. Well, hello there fellas. Top of the morning to you. Not to eavesdrop on you, but you just happen to be on my landing spot. Let me just get this kill and euthanize these doggos, and I'll GTFO. See you. Back at my beloved bus station, I sneaked up on someone looting some goodies. Bro, this is my spot. Didn't I just euthanize those doggos? They just spread like rats, don't they? Thank goodness they can't climb houses, or I would have rabies by now. Yo. Bro. Listen to your doggos. They're literally barking at me on the roof. I admire your determination on reviving your friend, but I just can't resist a free kill. I was about to leave this place, when an opportunity that was too hard to pass by came up. Another chopper. Remember what I said about my urges when I see these earlier? This one's no exception. Here's a gift box, bro. Catch. See that? Another chopper flying nearby. I'm in Chopper Haven. I actually remember these guys. I asked him to loot supplies earlier and deliver them to me. For some reason they wanted those loots for themselves. Unacceptable. I'm gonna have to take them by force. Yellow mods. Those greedy bastards. No wonder why they didn't want to give them to me. This time I was really gonna leave that place. Also I thought. I saw another chopper landing on the upgrade. Urges filling my bloodstream again. Thinking this was going to be like other chopper encounters. Oh crap. I missed. And I'm in an open field. If I'm gonna go I want to at least take one of them with me. I could have also played this differently. But I am such a noob. GG boys, see you in the next video.